Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use LEGO Mindstorms. First, let's explore the core components. You will find an intelligent brick, several motors, and a variety of sensors like touch, color, and ultrasonic. Connecting these pieces is straightforward using the included cables. Then, you will open the intuitive programming software, which uses a drag-and-drop interface. This initial setup is crucial for bringing your robotic creations to life. Now, let's move on to building your very first robot. Start by constructing a robust chassis using the Technic bricks and pins. This foundation is essential for stability. Next, attach at least 2 motors to drive the wheels, ensuring smooth movement. Finally, integrate your chosen sensors, perhaps a color sensor for line following or an ultrasonic sensor for obstacle avoidance. This physical construction is where your ideas begin to take shape. With your robot built, it is time to bring it to life through programming. The visual programming environment allows you to drag and drop blocks to create command sequences. You can easily implement loops to repeat actions, like driving forward for 3 seconds, and use conditional statements for decisions, such as stopping when a touch sensor is pressed. Once your code is ready, download it to the intelligent brick and watch your robot execute its tasks. Once you have mastered the basics, the possibilities with LEGO Mindstorms are vast. You can delve into advanced programming blocks for more complex data handling and communication between bricks. Challenge yourself to design custom attachments and mechanisms, perhaps a robotic arm or a sorting system. Engaging in robotics challenges, like those found in many competitions, will further refine your building and coding expertise, pushing your creativity to new heights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.